You don't have to worry about, you know, going to the airport and, you know, finding.
Who's going to the airport?
Everybody except Rose.
You guys are going to the airport?
Yeah. We linked up there. Oh my God. Easier na lang. Oh, may extra. Oh, good idea. Lobby 9:30.
9:30 to 9:45.
Oh, right.
9:45.
When you say 9:30, it's 9:45.
No, I'm always prompt.
Yay! Hoover Dam. And Canada, hey, people from Canada.
Thank you.
Oh, not enough. Oh, B, over there. Picture. All right. Ito sila sa corner.
Oh, Brian Park.
Yeah.
There they are.
Oh, there they are. See, Jeddah and.
Where's?
So you're going to walk down?
They went ahead. They just got in.
Oh, here they are.
They're coming towards this way. They're going to walk down.
I have a lot of water.
It will be there like 5 hours, right?
Akala ko, you slow down.
Me no.
Oh, you're following the Canadian speed limit.
Yeah, before we're going to Seattle sa una to kay wala auto license, yeah. that was 55 miles an hour. Sleepy. Otherwise we'll feel sleepy.
All cousins.
So we'll Rod. So we're gonna go speed up after. I mean, a little bit. Yeah, okay.
I think I need to drive. Yeah.
Hoover Dam.
Let's go. Okay, hot.
This isn't hot. Philippines is hot.
You stay here longer because it's on.
You can survive.
Wait.
Brian, okay, Dana. Yeah.
All right. Okay, who's driving? I'm driving. You're driving. Speed limit is so nice.
Puppy, puppy.
Welcome. You should have all everybody's picture.
Ano matiyag mo tayo pag
Sandra, magpupunta Sandra.
Sandra with
when
I think CJ was saying about buying stuff a little bit there, and then
Back to the
strip.
souvenirs, yeah.
Strip. Oh yeah, okay. Let me. Si Marky boy. 7 seconds. Mga 10-15 minutes siguro. Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, see that picture? Last time.
What makes you think?
Last? What are you talking about? Last one? What's going to stop us?
Okay.
That's right. Well, from here, this may be the last picture. That's right. Then we'll have lots of.
Oh, it's sunset. Oh, just in time, man. Just in time. That's a nice shot there, Jay, earlier. Oh, yeah, go ahead. Yeah, I'll help myself. The loom, yeah. The sunset is so, rare. This one is always. Oh.
8,000 feet.
8,000. Oh.
8,000 feet above sea level.
Maginaw.
60? May bento.
Maginaw.
Sandra,
What's the temperature?
it's 40.
No, it's like it's like 60 degrees out here. Okay?
Right.
That's a lie.
That's a lie.
It is a lie.
Nice and warm, nice, cool. It's like a nice air-conditioned room.
Yeah. Still only
Really?
60 degrees.
Right, it's really
65
nice.
probably. But now
Really
that the
nice.
sun's gone down, it'll be 40 degrees before we go
It's
to
gonna
bed.
dip really quick.
Banda ko sila, oh.